Hey, so if you've been following this channel, you guys already know that I'm a motion designer, and I'm also obsessed with adding things to my workspace that could possibly improve my workflow. Recently, I added the Space Mouse by 3D Connection, and it proved to be exceptional when working with 3D. And I also added this SenseLab Quick Keys, and it helps me use shortcuts inside of different applications. Both of these work really great, but I still was missing something that feels more interactive, like a touch-enabled screen, or I'm usually that guy who picks up a pen and paper when I have to come up with new ideas. It just feels natural and more creative in general. So anyways, my next thought was to try a graphics tablet, but that didn't really work out because I had multiple monitors, and it's really hard to be precise with it because you have it mapping to more than one monitor, and it's really frustrating. So I started searching for a display tablet instead, and the best I could find was the Wacom Cintiq 16, but personally I felt the 16-inch was a bit small. I wanted something slightly bigger than 16-inch. I wanted it in 4K with touchscreen and also within a decent price range. And that's when I heard Huion is coming out with a new one called Kamvas Pro 19. And 19-inch was just perfect to be sitting on my desk. It had 4K Ultra HD resolution. It had 10-point touch support with their 2nd gen anti-glare etched glass. It comes with 2 pens, a standard and a slim version of it. And they claim that they've made big improvements from their previous generation pens. The only problem was this was not yet launched in India, so I reached out to a couple of distributors here. And finally, when the product got launched, I bought this from AK Groups, which is an official Huion partner here in India. Now, I don't draw, so I can't tell you that I'm using this tablet to its fullest potential, but what I can say is I really enjoy using the simple things that this tablet lets me accomplish, and that could be something simple as, listening to different audio options that you're about to use on your project without being able to drag your mouse to, let's say, a different monitor and then back to the same screen. When you're going through a bunch of audio options, this gets too tiring. So it saves you a lot of sanity. Creating vectors feels more intuitive. Working on something in Photoshop, editing some graphics, or rotoscoping, or working with 3D, it all feels so intuitive and you feel more creative using these applications. And I don't even need to start talking about multitasking. It's super cool. So yeah, I would totally recommend this because it's within budget. You have a lot of features, 4K, the multi-touch, the screen size, the pen technology, it's all there and worth it for the money that you spend. So yeah, that's my review of the Kamvas Pro 19. If you guys enjoyed watching this video, please do leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.